Hi, how are
Hi,
you?
I'm good. Sahiba, is that how you pronounce it?
Yes,
Okay, cool. How are you? Where are you calling from?
I am from India.
Oh, cool. What
Yes.
time is it there right now?
Right now, 10:40 p.m.
Okay. So, how
Yes.
was your day then?
Good.
Yeah?
Yes.
It was pretty
Today,
like normal.
yeah, today I went to the market for some shopping.
Love a market for some shopping.
Yes.
What'd you get? Did you get like food or clothes?
Yes, clothes
Yeah?
and
What did you
shoes.
get? Ooh,
Yes,
love.
and sweet
Like
sweets.
candies?
Sorry,
Like candies
candies.
or sweets.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you had a really good day.
Yes.
What types of clothing did you get?
Uh, top
Hmm.
and flare. You know,
A a flip? No, I don't know.
flare.
Top and flare? Like
Yes.
a pant?
Jeans flare.
Oh
Loose,
my God.
loose jeans. Yes.
The the ones that flare at the bottom.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. I'm so excited because flares, that type of pant,
Yeah.
they were so popular like 15, 20 years ago, right?
Oh.
But I feel it, or at least in the States, flares were super, super popular. And then they went away, but now they're coming back.
Yes. Yes. In India, in
Mhm.
here, it's famous.
Really?
Yes.
I love it. A flare, because also, yeah, in
Every
the
girl
70s.
wear jeans flare.
Really?
Yeah.
Like this. Oh my gosh, I need to get a pair of flared jeans. And they're always jeans, right?
Yes. So
Yeah.
what type of dresses do you wear?
Well, I wear a lot of pants and like tops, but I did go shopping actually hold on. Okay. So I went shopping. I bought this sweater, which I think
Oh
is gorgeous.
wow.
Isn't that
So
nice?
beautiful.
It's like a turtleneck kind of thing, like that. And then I got this skirt that I'm really excited about. Isn't that pretty?
Wow. What is this?
It's silk.
Yes. 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 Uh.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? And then wait. Okay, I got this little dress.
Wow. Yes, yes,
That's nice. And then I got these pants that are just very simple.
yes.
Very,
I like this type of pants.
yeah, me too. And I can never find them,
Yeah,
I feel like. When they don't, because they never fit me well.
yeah.
You know. But yeah, I
Wow,
went
such a
shopping.
beautiful dresses.
I know, isn't that pretty?
Yeah, I like it.
I'm I'm very happy about it.
Oh,
But yes, but I've been trying to dress more feminine
mm-hmm.
because I feel like I've I've lived in these big cities in the
Yeah,
States, and um I just always felt like I needed to wear,
yes,
like protective almost and dress more masculine, almost to like
Yes.
like, you know what I mean? Like the men. And then I always felt like, I feel like when I wear feminine clothing, the thing is I love feeling feminine, but it's really intimidating to go out into the city and be wearing feminine clothes, you know?
Yeah.
And so, hold on, I'm gonna let my dog out. You wanna get out? Get out? But like I've been wearing, do you wear heels? Do you wear like
Heels. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
No, I've just started sort of wearing heels. Like, hold on. I got these, which are like
Wow.
a heel, and then you kind of like lace these up your leg, like around
Yes,
your
yes,
ankle.
yes.
And these are amazing because they're, short, but the first time I wore them, I fell. Well, do you know what it?
So you
You know,
wear shoes?
huh?
Do you wear shoes?
Yes. I usually wear sneakers, like
Okay.
these.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah, because I like to walk a lot,
Yes, yes.
and I also skateboard,
Mm-hmm.
so I can't really do that in heels.
Yeah.
But you can skateboard in a skirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
fun.
when what type of dresses do you wear in the party?
When I go to a party, I usually wear kind of like, I more focus on the top,
Top.
because I'll
Yeah.
still usually wear like a top and bottom. I don't have dresses right now. I like a
Uh-huh.
dress, but I don't have them right now. But like I'll usually wear something like a little more like that, and then like some really cool jewelry. I really
Yes.
like jewelry.
Yes. Jewelry.
Hmm.
You wear?
I wear jewelry. Yeah. You want to see my collection?
Okay.
This is fun.
Yes.
Okay. So like, let's see. This is something I found
Oh, very
in
simple.
Spain. It's a necklace. These are earrings that are like hoops, but they're squares. Which is
Wow.
cool. Yeah. I have this guy that I was seeing gave me these bracelets that he made.
Wow.
Aren't these cool?
Earrings?
No, these are bracelets.
Oh, yes. This is my bracelet.
Wow, that's pretty. I
Yes.
love that.
And this is
And
my
then you have a
ring.
ring. Do you wear your ring all
Yes.
the time?
Sorry?
You wear the ring all the time?
No. Today I
No.
wear.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I have well, I took them off because I was washing my hands, but I like
Yeah.
need these 3 rings. This is 1 ring, and then these other 2.
Wow. Such a beautiful.
I know, I love them. I
Yes.
love what like jewelry and accessories
You
can
know,
do to make you happy.
I'm so glad to meet you. Wow.
Yeah, I'm so glad to meet you too. Yeah,
Yes. It's lovely to meet you.
so lovely. I love exchanging. I love girl time so much. Oh, I got these earrings. These are earrings.
Wow.
Aren't these
Earrings.
cool? Earrings.
Wow. Very nice.
Very
Yes.
cool.
You look
Oh
so
man, we
beautiful.
already. Thank you. This is so fun. It's like show and tell.
Yeah.
Oh man.
So
Okay.
yeah.
10
Next
seconds
time
left.
I will call you and then I show you my dresses.
Yeah, please do.